If you think creating a full stack website with database connection using AI is hard, then you are wrong. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Laravel e-commerce website with admin panel really easily using AI for free. And I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So this tutorial will be beginner friendly, and I will not write a single line of code to create this project. I will only use AI, and the AI we will use is completely free and is really awesome as well, just like Gemini or Cloud Code. So first of all, since we are going to create a Laravel project, so we need to have four things installed in our system. So the first thing is Node.js, then you need to have XAMPP installed, then Composer, and the last one is a code editor. So for code editor, we are going to use Visual Studio Code. So first of all, you need to check whether you have Node.js installed or not. So for it, you need to go to your Windows search option. Then in the search, right here, CMD, and here you can see command prompt. Click on this, and here if we just say Node-V, then press enter, it will show you a Node.js version if Node.js is installed on your system. If it doesn't show you any version, it means Node.js is not installed and you need to install Node.js. So installing Node.js is really simple. You just need to go to your browser, and in the browser search for Node.js, and here you can see nodejs.org. You just need to go to this link, and here you can see download option. Click on download. From here choose the LTS version, go down and just click on this and it will download a exe file. All you need to do is that install that file and Node.js will be installed in your system. So installing Node.js is really simple, just like any other software. So after installing Node.js, you need to have XAMPP installed in your system. So again, just go to your Windows search option, search over here XAMPP, and if you have XAMPP installed, it will show you this XAMPP control panel. And if you click on this, it will show you something like this. So if you are seeing this, it means XAMPP is installed, and if not, then you need to install XAMPP. So in order to install XAMPP, again, go to browser, search for XAMPP, and here you can see apachefriends.org. You need to go to this link, and from here you can download and install XAMPP really easily, and it is just like installing any other software. So after installing XAMPP, you need to have Composer installed. Again, I'll show you how to check if Composer is installed on your system. Just go to the search option right here, CMD. Here you can see command prompt. Click on this, and here you need to say Composer dash dash version. Press enter, and there you can see it is showing me the Composer version. And if it shows you the Composer version, it means Composer is installed. Otherwise, again, just go to the browser, search for Composer, and here you can see getcomposer.org. Click here, and from here you need to download and install Composer. It is really simple to install. And the last one is installing Visual Studio Code. This is the IDE that we are going to use to create and generate code for the project. So if you do not have Visual Studio Code installed, again, just go to the browser, search for Visual Studio Code, and here you can see visualstudio.com. Go to this link, and from here you can easily install Visual Studio Code. So one more thing, that is, before you install Composer, you should have XAMPP installed. Okay, so once you have those four installed, it means you are ready to create your Laravel project. So first of all, let's choose where we want to create our project. So we are going to create our Laravel project over here in local disk G. So first of all, we need to have Laravel globally installed in our system. Okay, so we'll just go to the browser, and in the browser we're going to search for Laravel. So here you can see laravel.com, but do not click here. You need to click on this installation option. So just click on installation, and it will take you to this page. And I'll also give every other link in the description, whether Node.js, XAMPP, Composer, and Visual Studio Code, and also this installation link in the description. Just check it out. And after coming here, we need to go down, and here you can see that if you want to install Laravel globally via Composer, you need to run this command. So let me just copy this command, and we need to go to the Windows search option right over here, CMD. Here you can see command prompt. Open this. Let me just zoom in, and we need to paste this command in the command prompt to install Laravel globally in our system. So I'm going to press enter and it will install Laravel globally. So from any folder in our system, we'll be able to create our Laravel project. And here you can see it's done. So it took a few seconds to install. So right now we're going to close this. After that, let me just go to the documentation, and here you can see in order to create Laravel project, we need to write this command Laravel new, and this will be the project name. So let's go and create the Laravel project first. Then we're going to use AI to build our e-commerce website with admin panel, and I'll show you everything from the very beginning step by step. So let me go to my folder, and over here we're going to create our Laravel project. Okay. So if you follow my every step, you will also be able to create your own e-commerce project just like me. Okay. So here in this location, we're going to create a Laravel project. So here at the top, we're going to say CMD and press enter. Let me just zoom in, and here we're going to write this command, which is Laravel new, and the command is basically this one, Laravel new, and this is the project name. So let's say our project name will be Laravel Ecom AI. You can give the name anything you want. This name can be anything, but this part needs to be this one. You cannot change anything over here. Laravel new, this will be the project name. So right now we're going to press enter, and it will start creating a Laravel project, and it will also ask us a few questions. So which one would you like to use? We are going to say here none, then press enter. Let's say here 0, press enter. So do you want to install Laravel Boost to improve AI assisted coding? We're going to say here yes, press enter, and I can see it started creating our project. So once the project creation is complete, we're going to use AI to do the rest of the work for us. And if you want to create the same project just like me, follow my every step. So here right now we need to choose which database would you like to use. We're going to say here MySQL. So make sure to choose MySQL because we're going to use Jam, and Jam support MySQL. Okay. So we are going to choose MySQL, then press enter. And it is asking us a question, would default database updated? Would you like to run the default database migration? So over here, before you do anything, you need to have XAMPP open in your system. So here you can see XAMPP control panel. Just go to the Windows search option, then right here XAMPP and click on this XAMPP control panel. It will open this, and you need to make sure to start the Apache and MySQL. Okay. So once you start the Apache and MySQL, then you should say here yes. So without running those, do not say yes here. Okay. So just say here yes and then press enter. And then it will create a database for you and also migrate the table as well. After that, here it will ask you a question that would you like to run npm install and npm run bin. We're going to say here yes, then press enter. So here you can see our project creation is complete. So right now we need to go to the project directory, then we need to run this command. And let me just show you the project folder, which is this one. Here you can see Laravel ecom. Yeah. If you now go inside, you will see the Laravel project structure. So over here, we just need to copy this cd Laravel ecom AI, which is our project name. We'll copy it and paste it here, press enter. There you can see we are in the project directory. After that, we need to run this command, composer run dev, copy, paste, press enter. So this will run our project. And there you can see our project is running. So right now we just need to copy this URL, Control C. Then we'll go back to our browser, and in the browser we'll paste it here, press enter, and this is our freshly created Laravel project. So after that, we're going to open our this project using Visual Studio Code. So let me just open Visual Studio Code here. Here you can see Visual Studio Code. Click on this and just click on File here in the Visual Studio Code. Then click here Open Folder, and we're going to open our project, which is this one, Laravel Ecom AI. Select this, then click here Select Folder, and it will open our project. There you can see. So right now we're going to install a AI tool in our Visual Studio Code. So for it, You can click on terminals, then new terminal. Also, you can click on view, then click here terminal. It will open a terminal here. So the AI we're going to use is called OpenCode. So for it, let's go to our browser, and in the browser, we're going to search for opencode.ai. Then press enter. So there you can see open source. So OpenCode is open source. It means it's completely free. You just need to install it and then you can use it for free. So here you can see npm, click on npm and it will show you a command npm i-g opencode-ai. So we're going to copy this, then we'll go to our Visual Studio Code, paste the command here, then press enter. So this will install OpenCode in our Visual Studio Code and it will take a few seconds to install. And there you can see OpenCode is installed. So when OpenCode is installed, you just need to serve here OpenCode. And right now, if you just press enter, it will open the OpenCode CLI. So let me just press enter. And here you can see OpenCode CLI. So the first time you see the OpenCode CLI, it will tell you to log in. But since I am already logged into the OpenCode because I am using OpenCode for the last 6 months, that's why it didn't tell me to sign up anymore. So right now we can write any prompt over here and OpenCode can write code for us. So right now we're going to generate a prompt using ChatGPT and give the prompt over here. So for it, let's go to our browser and we'll go to our chatgpt.com and here we're going to give this prompt. I have already created a Laravel project with MySQL database. I want to build a simple e-commerce website with admin functionality using Laravel. Now write me the open code. Here you can say I mentioned open code because we are using open code. So now write me the open code optimized prompt for this in 8 steps. Right now I'm going to click here and it will generate some prompt for us in 8 steps. So the more step, the better. So I mentioned 8 step because I want this video to be a little bit shorter. That's why. So here you can see it generate prompt for us. So right now, let me just check the prompt. And here you can see convert at the end, it gives us a suggestion, convert each step into separate open code prompts. I think this will be better. I'm going to say here, yes. Then click here. And there you go. There is total 8 from this time. And there is no more changes I need. So I think it's fine. So right now we're going to copy every prompt one by one and paste it in OpenCode. So let me just copy this. There you can see it got copied. We'll go back to our Visual Studio Code and we'll paste it over here. Here you can see pasted 6 lines. So right now if we press enter, it will check the prompt and then start generating the code for us. So here you can see it made a to-do list over here and it will finish every step one by one and add a checklist when a step is done. So this will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video. And there you can see our first prompt is done and it took around 4 minutes 4 seconds. So after that we'll go to our browser again and we're going to copy the second prompt, which is this one. So we're going to copy this, Control C. Let's go back to our Visual Studio Code, paste the prompt here. There you can see pasted 8 lines and press enter. So this prompt will generate some model and migration in the database and this prompt is done. After that we'll go to the browser again and from here we're going to copy and paste the third prompt. So all we are going to do is that we're just going to copy and paste all the prompt first, then we're going to check whatever changes is made in our Laravel project. So this is our third prompt. I'm going to copy this and then paste it here, press enter. And there you can see it is done. It took around 6 minutes. So let's move to the next prompt, which is prompt 4. I'll just copy this and then paste it here, press enter. So here you can see our this prompt is done. So right now let's move to the next prompt, which will be our fifth prompt. Here in this prompt, we're going to generate the front-end product page. So I'm just going to copy this, then paste it here, then press enter. So right now I'll just pass forward the video. So this prompt is also done. So in this prompt, it also created some demo data as well. So let's keep the next prompt, which is the sixth prompt. Let me just copy this. Then we'll paste it here, press enter. There you go. It started working on the next prompt. And there you can see our sixth prompt is done. So let's go back to the browser again and let's copy our prompt 7. So I'll just copy this, then paste it here, press enter. And again, I'll just fast forward the video. So our seventh prompt is done. So right now, let's go back to the browser and copy our last prompt, Control C, and we're going to paste it over here, Control V, then press enter. So this will be our last prompt. So right now, I will just fast forward the video. So here you can see all of our prompt is complete. So right now, we'll just go to our browser and let me just refresh here. Since our project is already running in the command prompt, here you can see. So there you can see this is our e-commerce website and everything looks great. Let me just check on the button first. And the login page is good. But I would suggest you that you just close this and restart your Composer Run Lab. Okay, let me just close this. And let me just say over here CMD, press enter, and I'm going to say over here Composer Run Dev. So you should do this because this way it will clear any other cache and run your project smoothly. So just restart your command prompt and run Composer Run Dev. There you go. So I want to log into the admin dashboard and see how the admin dashboard looks. So there is no product, so we should add some demo product from that admin dashboard. So let's tell over here, I want the admin login credentials. Press enter. So open code will give us the admin credentials. So there you can see it is now creating the admin credentials. And there you can see it created the admin. The email is admin@example.com and the password is password. So let me just say over here, let me just go to the login page. I'm going to say here admin@example.com and the password will be password. Then click here login and there you can see this is admin dashboard. So total user true, total product 0, orders 0, categories 0. So here you can see we have manage product option, edit profile, user dashboard and logout option. So let me just click here admin dashboard. It will keep us over here. And let me click here manage product and click here add new product. Let's see if we can add a product and then you can say add new product. Let's say here t-shirt, description will be polo t-shirt. Let's add a price. Let's say $10. Stock will be 10. Let's choose the image. This one. Click on OK. Status will be active and what will the category? Okay. Control plus CMD to select multiple categories. Let me just check other things as well. Let's go to the admin dashboard. Uh, Categories. There is a category add option here. There is 0 category. Maybe that's why it is showing us the error. That's why maybe it is not showing us the category. So let's tell over here admin should be able to add category. Press enter. So we want a feature where admin can add category. So whenever you are building any kind of website, you should make sure that every button works and every logic is proper. Okay, for example, here you can see category is not working. So we first make sure that we can add the category. Then we need to make sure that category is showing over here. We can always change the design later if you do not like the design, but you need to make sure that all the functionalities is working properly. Okay. Okay, let's just try to add a product over here. I'm going to say here t-shirt. Let's say here polo t-shirt, price will be 10, quantity 10. Let's choose the image. Let's choose this one. Click OK, active. Okay, we cannot select the category. Okay, let me just click here, create product, and there you can see product added successfully. So no categories because there is no category add option over here in the admin panel. We should add that, and product created successfully. Let me see if we can edit it. Click on edit. There is also edit option. Everything is perfect except we are not able to add the category, but that's fine. We can always fix it. Manage product, edit profile. Click on edit profile. So admin can update the profile and total categories. Okay. Let's click here, user dashboard, my order. Okay, admin do not actually need any user dashboard, but that's fine. So let me just go to the home page and there you can see it is showing us the product over here. So we can change the design, but first we should have add category option over here. So let's go back to our Visual Studio Code and over here. And there you can see it is done. So let's go back and let me just refresh here. And here you can see manage categories option. Click here manage category and there you go. Let's say here clothing and auto generated. Okay, click here create category and it's done. So let's go back to the admin dashboard. Click here manage product, add new product. Let's say here kids dress. Let's say here kids dress. Price will be $15. Stock 20. Choose a product. Let's choose a image. Image needs to be JPG. Active. I can select the category over here. Click here create product and it's done. And there you can see categories. And if we just go to the home page and there you go, we are able to see the product. Okay, let's see the product details. Okay, let me just log out from here and let's try to register as a user. Let's say here name will be user, email will be user@gmail.com. Let's give password 12345678, 12345678. Register. It's done. So let's go to the home page. Let's add this product. Click here, view cart. Add to cart. There you can see product added successfully. If I now go to the cart page, there is a error in the cart page. So I'm just going to copy this and paste the error here. So if you just see any error, don't panic. Just copy the error and paste it in the open code. And it's done. So let's go back. There is the error this time and let's click here, proceed to checkout, and we need to give some details over here. Select a country, Canada. Click here place order. Select a province is required. Okay, so there is a year. So it is saying that you need to mention a state and also mention the payment method, but there is no state option nor there is any payment option here. So let's tell over here. Okay, payment will be cash on delivery and add a state input field in the checkout page. Let's press enter and it's done. So it took around 7 minutes 53 seconds. So let's go back and let me just refresh here, and there you can see there is no cash on delivery option here. So let me just fill those again. Then provisions, then select a country. Click here cash on delivery. There you can see it is already selected, and click here place order. There is a error. Let me copy the error. Then paste it here, press enter. So let's go back to the browser and I can see thank you for your order. So everything is working properly. You can now add product. You can also search the product by category, and you can also search the product from here as well. Let's say here kids dress, then press enter, and I can see it is showing us kids dress over here. So searching is working properly. And let me just go to the admin dashboard. Let me click on login. Let's say here admin at that of example password. Click on login. So there you can see, so this is how the admin dashboard looks. So if you want, you can also change the design by telling your open code that you can that you want a different design. For example, you can also upload a image to the open code and tell open code to design the page for you like that. I have a image in my downloads, and this is a admin panel image, as you can see. So I'm just going to drag this image and leave it over here. There you can see the image location is here. So we can say that I want the admin dashboard design to look like this image. Then press enter. So I hope it is fixed this time. Let me just refresh. Okay, it added a different admin dashboard design. I think I am okay with the design. It looks quite solid. There you can see we have total product, order, add new product, add category option, view order option. If you now click on view orders, and there is a order over here, you can see I can also change the status of the order as well. So back to orders or back to dashboard. There you can see. So yeah, if you want, you can also change the homepage design as well. You can change the design. You can add dark mode. You can add more feature product, popular product, a lot of section over here. You just need to tell open code whatever changes you want, and it will do it for you. So yeah, we didn't write a single line of code in this project. We just told our open code that whatever changes we want, and it did it for us. So I don't know how long this video will be, but in total, in order to create this project, it took me around 3 hours. So it will also take the similar amount of time. And if you just face any error, just copy the error and paste the error over here, and it will fix it for you. Don't panic, keep patience, and whatever changes you want, you can just tell open code and it will do the work for you. So yeah, this way you can create any kind of Laravel project using open code, and this is completely free. So if you like this video, just let me know in the comment section. Just write anything in the comment section. I really appreciate that because this will help me get reach for this video. And make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.